Want to buy Solana instantly with Apple Pay? Here's how to step by step. First, open a crypto exchange app or wallet that supports Apple Pay. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Phantom Wallet. I'm going to be using Binance for this tutorial. Second, sign in or create an account. Then complete identity verification if required. Third, go to the Buy Crypto section or Trade section. And in the Receive, select Solana. Fourth, enter the amount of Solana you want to buy, either in dollars or in Sol. Fifth, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. Make sure your Apple Wallet is linked to a valid debit or credit card, and press confirm. Now, confirm the purchase using Face ID or Touch ID or passcode to authenticate the Apple Pay transaction. Finally, for extra security, you can transfer your Solana to a non-custodial wallet